Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your hypervisor supports virtual GPU and that the physical GPU is on the vendor's supported list. Install the GPU driver and vendor vGPU manager on the host. Version mismatches break pass-through. Once done, create vGPU profiles and reserve GPU memory in the host BIOS or firmware. Make sure to allocate enough physical resources for expected VMs and label profiles for each workload so you can map them cleanly when you create virtual machines. You now attach a vGPU profile to a virtual machine through your hypervisor's interface or CLI, selecting the profile that matches the workload. Inside the guest, install the vendor's guest driver that corresponds to the host stack. Mismatches cause display or compute failures. Once installed, reboot the VM and confirm the GPU device is present. Then tune VM resources, allocate CPU cores, set memory and hugipages, and configure PCIe or SRIOV I/O to minimize latency, and you finish by validating the vGPU. Run vendor diagnostics and representative workloads to confirm performance and temperature limits. Once done, optimize by adjusting vGPU profiles, capping engine clocks when thermal limits hit, and aligning VMs to NUMA nodes for lower latency. If something goes wrong, check host and guest logs, verify driver and manager version parity, and recreate the vGPU mapping. Often a mismatched driver or missing firmware flag is the culprit. Make sure to snapshot configs before major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.